Hello and welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. In this channel I used to come up with tutorials on various topics. Today our topic of discussion is design of the business card using Canva. The Canva is a very powerful tool. It is used in various type of designs like design of the ebook cover, design of YouTube thumbnails, design of postcard, design of flyers, etc., and there are lots of possibilities in Canva. Now today we are going to see how we can design a business card using Canva. Now the business card, it comes in various sizes, and here is a list of the different types of sizes. We will be mostly focusing on the 3.5 inches by 2 inches, which is the standard size for US and Canada. The other sizes are 3.582 by 2.165, that is followed in Japan, and in Australia, Denmark, New Zealand there are the different sizes as per the list. Also you can look for the different sizes that are being followed in different countries. So you have to be cautious when you are designing the business card. You ask your client that which side you need to design. Based on that you will be deciding other type of things like the margins that we'll be using in our designs. So how the design will look like. Now the final finished product is a 3.5 inches by 2 inches. Over that we are going to add a bleed area. Now what is the bleed area? Bleed area is the area that gets cut off because of the finished product is size is 3.5 by 2 inches, and we are adding a 1/4 inch bleed on 4 sides of the business card. So the final dimension of the canvas size will be 3.5 plus 2.25 inches, that will be 3.75 inch, which is the width, and the height will be 2 inches plus 0.25, that is 2.25. Now it is not limited to this one. This is our the total canvas size, the outer one, and this is our finished product, the black line, and the inner one another margin or another area we are defining where we will be putting our all the key elements, our logo, our name, etc., on this area. And what is, we are giving another 0.25 inch margin to that. So the final safe area will be it will be 3.5 minus 0.25 inches, which will be 3.25 inch by 2.0. 2.0 is the height, minus 0.25, that will be 1.75 inch. So the safe area, the size is 3.25 by 1.75 inch. So this is the final design that will be following in our design, that is the canvas size of 3.75 inch by 2.25 inch. Now let us move on to Canva. Now here we will be creating a design for this business card. First we have to know how much inches by 2 pixel, how much is the, so we are typing just inch to pixel and convert inches to pixel. So the design is 3.5 by 2 inches, and the final canvas size will be 3.75 by 2.25 inch. So let us type 3.75 inch, which is 360 pixel, that is the width. So we are going to create a new design and custom size. Width we are giving as 360 pixel, and the height, which will be height, what will be the height here? Height will be the 2.25 inch. So we are giving 2.25 inch, and that is coming as 216 pixel. So we are giving as 216. Okay, now we will create a design. Okay, so we are in the canvas, and let us go to file and show the rulers, file, show the margins. Now we are going to add, this is the final outline, that is the canvas size. Now we are going to add our bleed area. For that, what we are going to do, 0.25 inches of bleed area, that will be 24 pixel. So 24 pixel on all the 4 sizes. So 24, let us drag a guide here, and we'll be doing this mostly around 22. It is showing 26. Okay, now let us drop to this one, or the guides where margins. Okay, we are just leaving it at 22, 26, so no intermediate in between. Let us zoom it once more. Also we are getting this 22. Okay, let us keep it at 22, and another guide will be pulling that is also. Okay, to here top side also we are giving 22, another also we are giving from the bottom, that will be 194. so we will be just getting one calculator. So the final side 360 minus 24, 336. So let us see whether it is up to 336 minus 24, quarter inch 336. Okay, this is 194. We are giving the height here, that is the 336 will be this one, 338. Okay, and this one is a 22. So 22, 22, here also 22. We are giving suppose 22 on all the sides. So our this size is 0.5, 2.25, 216. Okay, so 216 minus 22, that will be 194. So here we are having the bottom margin is 194. Now again we have to add another area, that is the inside area. This is the final product, and this is the canvas size. And again we have to draw another 22 from here, another margin, that will be our shape area. So from here we will be having another 22 from here. So first one is 22, another 22, that will be around 42. Okay, 41 let us say. Another margin from here, that will be, here it was 38, 38 minus 22, 338 minus 22, 338 minus 22, that is 316. Okay, 315, 14, 15. Okay, and this one is a 22, again another 22, that will be around 44, 42, 44. Okay, fine. Here also from the bottom side it is about 194, 194 minus 22, that is 172. So 174, 172. So this is the shape area inside one. Now we are going to design the front side of the card. The front side will be having the name of the person and its contact details. So let us first draw a background here. So we are going to photos and search for any type of background. Okay, let us take this one, first one, very first one, and drop it here. This is the background. Now we are going to put the person's picture here, and let us find a photo here. Let us type person. Okay, this person appearing here. Drag this one, and we are going to drag another element here, that is the frame. So writing frame, and let us say this one, and just dragging this photo over here. So this is our person whose name will be appearing here, and we are just putting the name here as first and last name. Now I am using the font here as a monster. You can choose any type of font you like according to your design principles. Constraint extra bold I am using for the first name and the last name, and I am changing this font size to 10, let us say, placing this here. Okay, first name, dragging this a little smaller, and let us position it at the middle of this. Okay, now I'm going to separate these two and this inside area with the two parts. So let us draw a line, find a line first. So one person will be having this person's picture and name and his designation, another side will be having the contact details. So I am getting one line here, and let us change this color to white, change the thickness to, let us say, 2 pixel. Okay, size maybe this one up to this one, and rotate this by 90 degree. Okay, drag this up to here, or maybe this much, and position it at the middle and center. Okay, now this is basically a separator of the two things. That is, one side will be having the person's picture and his name, other side will be having the other things, that is his contact details. So here we are having the person's name and the picture and his designation. So I am just clicking on it, pressing Alt and just copying it, selecting this one. I am just writing, let us say, the store manager. Okay, changing the font to Montserrat, simple one, size let us say 8 or 6, let us say 6, and just aligning it with the top text. Okay, spacing, not apply any effect, but the letter spacing, and just increasing the letter spacing. Okay, this much, store manager, this person, and okay, now let us select these three things and drag it so the whole things become at the center. Now again, just we are putting the contact details here. So for that we'll be having the, just typing the T on the keyboard and write the address first. 123, let us say anywhere, this is a fictitious address, anywhere street, okay, world avenue, CA 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is a fictitious address. Let us align this and change the font to Montserrat, size 6, let us say, and dragging it here. Okay, we should not move very close to the margin, and 6:1 it is okay, and we can change the spacing between these two, let us say line height to 1.2. okay, that's fine, and let us drag another margin to align all this text here. Okay, then just pressing Alt and dragging it to put the adult details here, just copying the text here, putting the phone number, let us say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. This is the phone number, and let us say again pressing Alt and dragging it, let us say the email address, mail @domain.com. This is his mail address. Okay, and then again dragging it and put the website here, www.website.com. okay, now selecting all this and we are just dragging it so that it comes in center. Okay, now it is center, and we'll be adjusting the spacing between them. So for that we'll be going to position vertically, space evenly. So we are pressing all of them evenly. Now let us drag some icons here. Change this color to, let us say, this one. Okay, fine. Find some icons for this. So let us say one is location icon. Drag this one. Change the color to, let us say, red. Okay, reduce this size. Let us put a cap here. First put a here. I am just dragging another guide here, putting the icon, location icon, or the address here. Then after that let us find the phone. Okay, getting this one, or maybe the another one which you find suitable, changing the color to red and dragging it down. Okay, we can drag it down a little, 15. Okay, that is fine. And okay, here again another one, let us say that is for the mail address. Mail, let us say this one, changing the color to white and dragging it down. Okay, that is fine. 1310. Okay, that is little higher side. And dragging this one. Okay, and color to red. Let's say red is good. Then after that, the website. Choose this one. Change the color. Okay, to this one, drag it down. Okay, 15. Okay, drag it here. Okay, now let us slightly smaller this one, or you can zoom this also if you need some final adjustments here, or the precise adjustment is fitting, and then we are zooming it and we can adjust the things here. Okay, now for this one, let us dragging it, and let us say this one little here, and the center also you can make it, and the center of this whole thing here. Okay, we can use the arrow key of our keyboard. Then this one, let us drag this one up to this position. This one is little larger, we can reduce this one also. Okay, website. Okay, up to 10 is okay. Now it is at the center, and also if we want, we can vertically align this. So little drag. Okay, and then this one is okay. If you want to increase the gap here also, you can do this just by shifting this guide to a suitable position and select all this by pressing shift. Okay, shift, then drag them to this position. Okay, then that's fine. So this is our front side of the card. Now we are going to give another page, that is the back side of the card. So yeah, I'm just adding another page here. Again, I'll be going to photos and background. Okay, then this one, sorry, I have to just drag and position so that it catches the background. Okay, just these catches. Then this is our final position. Then in the background side we will be having the company logo. I'm just removing these guides now. Company logo, let us find design a logo. Let us design a fictitious company logo here. I'm going to element. I'm just designing some printing company here. Let us find some printing. Okay, this one I'm just giving, and I'm just writing another frame. Okay, frame, not the frame here. Let us try another one. There is circle with some background. Actually I just want, okay, I'm having this one. There's a background here, and just positioning this over this one, position forward. At the center I'm just aligning them, then I'm selecting both of them and grouping it, reducing the size here. This will be our logo. Okay, let us position to the center. Now the company name, again putting text on this background of this. Let us say Elite Printing Media. These are company name. Okay, Elite Printing Media. Sorry, and change the size to 1 extra bold, increasing the size to 12, let us say. Okay, now color you can change it to this one. Okay, just position it at the middle. I'm not middle using it, I'm just positioning at the center here. And if you want to add a tagline here, that you can do. That is by simply copying this one, add a tagline. Let us say we strive to give you quality products. Okay, let us make this size smaller, change the font here to Montserrat, light one. If you want to change the color, you can change it. Okay, then this one, or you can increase the spatial letter spacing of this, sorry, letters, so that it matches the length of the upper text. Okay, that is fine, I think. Okay, we strive to give you quality products. Now we can put a website here. Now again clicking on this, pressing Alt, it just putting the website here, www.eliteprinting.com. This is a fictitious one, making it bold a little bit. Okay, this is our final content for the back side of the card. So this is the front side, the person's name here. Now if you want to add another one, that is a circle behind, just for the gluing purpose, you can put a circle here also. Actually lots of things you can do here. Okay, just to highlight this one. Okay. Here I am just increasing the size, just going to put in and 300%, let us say. Okay, that's fine here. And okay, sorry, Control C, then I'll be positioning them. Oh, sorry, Control C, Control C. Oh, yeah, now it is positioned. Now dragging. Okay, Okay, now dragging both of them and group, and let us say after this one it's okay. Now it's fine. Fit this one. So that's how we can design the business card here. And hope you like this video. If you like this one, give a thumbs up. You can download them with the dimension of this one. Download. Okay, let us see how this looks like. Okay, this is the front side of the card. I'm zooming it little because it is smaller size, so that's why it is getting blurred when I zoom it. So this is the front side and this is the back side. So that's all it. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Also follow and subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.